Today I'm making old-fashioned Coca-Cola cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Our ingredients list is sugar, salt, flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, buttermilk, butter, oil, Coke, vanilla, eggs, and baking soda. Add all of your ingredients to the bowl and mix for 3 minutes until smooth. Pour your batter into a prepared pan. I'd like to parchment line my pan, but just butter and flour will work as well. You're going to bake this off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Our frosting was 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of butter. Both of those are at room temperature, and you're going to blend until they're completely smooth. Don't forget to scrape the bowl down. A teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're going to add 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar until it's the consistency and the flavor that you like. Make sure everything gets well incorporated, so scrape down the bowl often. I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more vanilla. I'm not sure why, but it sounded good to me at the moment. Right before frosting your cake, make sure it is 100% cooled off. Now, we've never had Coca-Cola cake before, but it had a nice light chocolate flavor. I hope you'll give this cake a try, and if you would be so kind as to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare.